In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a single slide as an image in PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to share just one slide as a picture for a report, a social post, or to send to someone who doesn't use PowerPoint, this process is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll share a few tips so your exported image looks exactly the way you expect. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and going straight to the slide you want to export. It helps to take a quick look at the slide at full size to make sure everything is aligned and spelled correctly, because whatever you see here is exactly what will be captured in the final image. Next, go to the File menu. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you'll choose either Save As or Export. Both paths lead to the same result, saving your slide as an image file. If you see a choice between different export options, select the one that lets you pick a file format and location. Now choose where you want to save the image on your computer. Pick a folder you can easily find later. In the Save As Type or File Format drop-down, select either JPEG or PNG. Here's a quick guide. PNG usually gives crisper edges for graphics, text, and logos, and it supports transparent areas if your slide design uses them. JPEG is great for photos and generally produces smaller file sizes, but it uses compression, which can introduce slight blurring around text or sharp shapes. If you're unsure, PNG is a safe, high-quality choice. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance. Keep it short but meaningful, especially if you'll export multiple slides over time. When everything looks good, click Save. PowerPoint will ask, which slides do you want to export? Choose just this one. That tells PowerPoint to export only the slide you're viewing, not the entire deck. The program will create the image in the folder you selected, using the file name and format you chose. When it's done, navigate to that folder and open the image to confirm it looks right. Check that text is readable, colors appear as intended, and nothing important is cut off near the edges. If you need the image for printing or high-resolution display, PNG will often preserve detail better. For web use where file size matters, JPEG can be more efficient. That's it. You've exported a single slide as an image, ready to share anywhere you need.